Well, WRC-12, like all WRCs, is very important, but WRC-12 is a cornerstone because with the broadband mobile agenda item that we've just adopted, which is absolutely critical to our administration, like many other countries, I think this was one of the proposals that was best supported by most people here at this conference. I believe all regional groups had an agenda item, and like most times we always have a different view in terms of the exact wording, but we were able to come to compromise and we were able to find a text that will allow us to investigate this for the next 3 years, find frequency bands for the IMT and the broadband mobile, and hopefully find good compromises at the next conference. I believe it has addressed regional concerns. The best identification of the item was if you look at the extension of the UHF frequency bands for IMT, again, a very interesting subject, and where the two groups of concerns were very opposed coming into this conference, but they all left relatively happy. And so that's a good coefficient of a compromise. It was able to address the needs for Africa as well as the Middle East, but at the same time take into account the constraints in Europe as well as in Russia and the other countries in that area. The growth path that we see, it's absolutely essential that radio communications are part of this. In Canada, as you know, we're very highly connected. Cable, wireline is everywhere, but still people are migrating to these mobile broadband solutions and to radio communications as a whole. It's not just about the mobile broadband, although how important that is, but if you look at satellite communications, for example, a country the vastness of Canada, the far reaches of the north, it's just impossible to serve those areas with wireline or mobile broadband. We have to use satellite solutions. For us, this was a very, very good conference. We've achieved compromises in many areas, including cleaning up some of these paper satellites, which have been very difficult for many administrations as well as the Bureau. So we're hoping with these new rules that we will have a much more transparent process, one that will allow countries to achieve what they need to achieve to get access to satellite orbital slots.